Hello guys, on this week episode on how to have a successful business, we are going to talk about niching. And when you talk about a niche, what is a niche? A niche is a specific category or a segment of a market. In short, it's a specific group. And you'll find that most people, once they get their product right, once they get the nitty-gritty, the logistics, they go direct into the market. They generalize. They tend to assume that if they love the product that they are making, or if they love the services that they are offering, customers are generally going to love. You'll find that most entrepreneurs or most business owners struggle at this stage because they are selling to everybody. And if you sell everyone, results are that you will sell no one in return. So when you're running your business, you need to have a specific niche. And we've said as a niche is a segment or a category of a group of people that exist in a certain market. So there are several mega niches. First of all is health, second is wealth, the third one is self, and the fourth one is social. So depending on the product or services that you're selling, your niching should fall within those specific categories. Let's talk about health for a moment. If you're talking about health in this case, we are talking about things related to health of the target audience. Maybe you are offering products to help with detoxification, or maybe you're offering products to deal with maybe beauty therapy. So what kind of people or what kind of market are you targeting with whatever you want to achieve? So you can segment when you're brainstorming the kind of niche or the kind of the market you want to target. You can either brainstorm the health, you can brainstorm the wealth, you can brainstorm the self, and finally you can brainstorm socials. Because we as human beings, we have reasons as to why we do what we do. So either we might do it because of the health issues, we might do it because of the wealth, we want to gain maybe the financial freedom, or we might do it because of self, because we want to perfect or we want to make ourselves a better person than we were the other time, or socially just to gain the lifestyle that we desire. Talking about that, niches are also affected by passion. We have problems. So when you are brainstorming about a niche of a specific place, there are questions that you're supposed to ask yourself. Is the product that I'm offering able to assist these people realize their goal? Number two, how will they feel once I launch this product out? And then now you do your due diligence. You cannot identify the niche that you want, but you have to discover the niche that you want to sell to. So when you start, you can generalize, but with time, you can narrow it down to a specific kind of a group to help you get that message to the exact audience. So as we were saying, what really works well when you are determining the kind of niche, we have the passion, we have the problem, and then we have the lifestyle. Why do people do what they do? Number one, they either do what they do because they are so passionate about it. They feel good doing whatever they do. Number two, people do what they do to solve a problem or to look for a solution. So when you identify that particular target market that you want to communicate to, either consider, will they be passionate to engage with what I want? Number two, do the service or the product that I offer solve the problems that these people are facing? And then number three is because of lifestyle. Most of the products that people buy them to attain a particular lifestyle that they would wish the people who follow them or the people who they network with to see that kind of an image. So that is the process of identifying your niche. For you to succeed in business, you have to have a specific, be clear on who you want to serve. Once you get that right, I can assure you that in the process, because you'll be communicating to the correct audience. Remember, you can have niches, you can have sub-niches, you can even have sub-niches. These niches can cut across. Let's take for an example, you're in the business of maybe providing the counseling services. So your niche is for those people who are facing depression. That can be the broader niche. And then you can categorize it: men who are facing depression. And then you can even go further: the divorced men who are facing depression. So in this case, you'll be talking directly to these kind of people. Let's take for example, you are niching in the wealth sector as a niche. You might be targeting real estate. So when you talk about real estate, what kind of real estate are you going to target? You need to narrow it down to a specific niche so that people get to understand and people get to interact with exactly what they are looking for. So when we talk about real estate, we can talk about real estate and then you categorize it. My niche in this particular place will be people who are looking to buy houses in suburb areas. And then you can even narrow it down to say the working class who are looking to purchase property in this particular sector. So once you know, when you're communicating your message, you are communicating to those affluent people who are going to spend mega millions to buy that particular property. If a prospective client is motivated by pain or urgency, they will automatically buy from you. So you need to do your due diligence, you need to narrow it down, you need to sub-niche it, and you need to follow the following steps to help you get the correct niche. I know most people confuse between a niche and a target audience. So let us differentiate the two. A niche is a specific category or a segment of a market, and then target audience are people who are most likely to engage with the business that you are. So don't confuse a niche and target audience. A niche is the market and the target audience are people who are likely to interact with your business. And then now we have the third one, which is called target audience persona or the customer avatar. The customer avatar is the picture that will help you remodify the general perspective of your business, the people you want to target. The customer avatar is a specific description of an individual that you're targeting to maybe sell to, that you're targeting to buy from you. So you're supposed to have like a full description of the person who you'd wish to buy from you. So we have customer avatar versus business when it comes to niches. So imagine a situation whereby you are online marketing to individual outside there. You find that so many people are on socials and many people are looking for different things on the social platform. So when you go position yourself there, you position your brand, you position your product or the services that you're selling, you can't be communicating to everyone. Remember, when you want to buy something online, you go there and you search it by a keyword. So why don't you niche it down so that when you're selling to these people, when they key in, let's take for example, you are offering maybe the medical services. When they key in the dentist near me, they can find you. When they key in the dentist problems, you can pop up amongst the rest. So that when they get to your platforms, you'll find that it will be easier for them because you'll be communicating to them directly. This one, you've identified the problem and now you are offering solution. And the solution that you are offering it to the right market. Niching will help you grow your business faster as compared to generalizing the market that you want to target with the products or the services that you are offering. So these are some of the questions that you need to ask yourself, especially when you are niching and when you're deciding on the kind of niche that you want. Is my prospective customer motivated by pain and urgency or irrational passion? That is number one. Number two, the question you're supposed to ask yourself is my prospective customer proactively looking for a solution to their problem or looking to meet a specific need? Once you get that right, and then now you can come up with a solution to target that specific audience. And then question number three, does my product or service or idea actually have the potential to solve the problem or deliver results to the prospects who are looking for it? Once you get the three questions right, it will help you come up with a tailor-made product or tailor-made business that targets everyone else. So you need to be very clear on the people you are communicating to. You need to have a clear audience persona, an imaginary description of that person would like to buy from you. So you need to understand the need of your dream avatar for you to succeed, and then you come up with a solution to solve them. And then when niching down, you need to go deeper into looking for emotional reason as to why maybe that specific market can buy from you, because most people buy from emotion. Some of us buy from logic, but it's majorly emotions that dictate why we buy what we buy. Take note that when you're niching down, you're marketing to the real audience. You're not a real audience who are human beings, and human beings have got feelings. So another way you can connect to your dream avatar on a deeper level is by appealing to their goals and value. Everybody else has a goal and a value. Once you can help me achieve that goal, or once you can help me get to understand or to deliver the value that I'm looking for, definitely I will buy from you. I know you might be asking, how do I identify the prospect? How do I identify that particular niche? How do I discover that particular niche? We are having master classes to help you through step-by-step process that will help you discover the right niche. And then we don't just stop there. We take you through a prospecting, we'll take you through niching, and then until after sales service. So you can contact us. We offer these services to you, or you can check our website and see what we are doing when it comes to this training. We are looking forward to helping you, that entrepreneur who is viewing me on the other side, on how you can scale your business. Let me stick on that part for a bit. Imagine a situation, maybe you've gone on a trip and you've left your car. Once you come back, you find that you cannot start your car. As somebody who has no knowledge in mechanics, you'll find that you'll be trying almost everything, second guessing what the problem is to your car. And then when you call a mechanic, you find out that your car can move, it has fuel, the engine is okay. The only challenge that is there is the battery, and without a battery your car cannot move. So that is why I'm telling you, niching is one of the crucial part, or one of the crucial components of having a successful business. You can have a good product, you can have a good service, you can have good employees, but if you don't get the niching right, you will be struggling. Your car will stagnate and you'll have problems moving. Contact Coach Kelvin Wanga to come and train you, or you can register to our master classes and know how do you identify, how do you discover, what do you need to do from brainstorming all the way to converting and actualizing, implementing these niches. Our contact is running down there below, but you can also find us on social as Coach Kelvin Wanga across all social media platforms. Remember, we release each episode how to have a successful business. So we are helping you, that upcoming business owner who does not have that acumen to run their business. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Brassability Digital, so that you don't miss out, and then click the notification button so that you can be well updated with the content that we give. Till next time, I'm looking forward to helping you grow your business. So we are going to dissect step by step, and we'll walk with you through this journey to ensure that you have a successful business. Till next time, see you, and remember to subscribe. The subscription to our YouTube channel is below. Follow us on social media, and we'll be so thankful for your services. Thank you, and see you next time.